Hey everybody, this is day 2 and we are going to Kaban Park and right now I'm at, I don't know the station's name, but let's see. This is some station that starts from S. Actually I was supposed to go to some other station, but I ended up in this station. I booked the wrong Rapido, but anyway, let's see the map. I don't know if you guys can see, I was supposed to go here, but I ended up here. Can't help. From here now I'll have to go to this Kaban Park. I don't know if you guys can see, but here, all the way from here. So let's see how it goes. So all of it is like just like Mumbai Metro. There's no difference as such. So towards Chalagata, towards the second, because we have come from Whitefield now.
ಮುಂದಿನ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್.
Next station is Kabban Park.
We are finally at the Kaban Park metro station, not the park actually. And there are two signs that I can see for BSNL and Kaban Park. We have to go towards this. Out of the metro station, all I can see in front of me is this park, like something. I don't know if this is the park. But one thing that I've surprisingly observed over here is that there are a lot of trees. बहुत सारे पेड़ है यहाँ पे, and not just on one side, okay, on both the sides of the road. Roads are clean, they are wide, and yeah, it's really nice over here. And yeah, बहुत the atmosphere is very cool. अभी it's 12, but still I'm not sweating. नहीं तो if you remember मेरे कल के vlog में बहुत सारे पेड़ है यहाँ पे. It's really nice. Found a really good stand. This, I'll keep my phone over here now. So I've kept my phone over here, and as far and as long as you can see, दूर तक, everywhere till the end, you know, there are just trees. इतने पेड़ है यहाँ पे, and not just, you know, ऐसे छोटे मोटे पेड़ नहीं है, इतने बड़े बड़े trees है, इतने बड़े बड़े पेड़ है, and they have some numbering. I don't know what that is for, but still, इतना there's silence over here, there's calm. I can listen to some birds creaking ka sound, but yeah, overall it's very nice over here. It's really chill, बहुत ठंडा है यहाँ पे, and something that we don't get to see in Mumbai actually, but it's very nice. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and yeah, instantly, you know, तुम इधर breathe करोगे and you'll feel like wow, you'll feel the difference. And one thing that I've also observed over here, apart from that cleanliness, roads are wide, paid and all, there is no dust. Actually, dust बहुत कम है यहाँ पे, and you know, you feel the difference when you breathe over here. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, overall I'm feeling very good. So yeah, let's see abhi from here where I'll go. I'll just explore this park a bit. I'll show you around how it is. Yeah, that's it. Initially, you feel the wow factor once you enter. After looking at so many trees and all, but once you enter and walk a bit, थोड़ा सा दूर आओगे ना, then the wowness kind of fades away. I don't know. मेरी तो चली गई वो wow factor. although not completely, but yeah, kind of. It is good. I'm not bashing this park or not, but yeah, it's kind of same. हमारे इधर संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क है, yeah, just like that. But just that इसके बीच में there is no roads. Like we have at SGNP, roads है, cyclists जा सकते हैं, cars जा सकते हैं. वैसे there is just one route over here where people can walk. So as you can see, people over here are doing different kind of activities. Some are just sitting, and some are, you know, playing. Some are shooting content. Some are dancing, playing. So yeah, almost same. If you can come and see, it's overall 7 on 10. You can visit this place to just relax, chill, or even sleep somewhere and sleep under the shadow. So yeah, overall 7 on 10. Do visit if you are coming to Bangalore. Then yeah, it's okay. Actually, it is very near. You take the Purple Line metro. You get down at the Cubbon Park metro station and then just walkable. You must have seen. मैं बस चल के आया. I didn't even know कि यही है वो park. But anyway, so yeah, do visit if you can. But yeah, अब मैं एक पेड़ देखता हूँ. I'll just sleep or I'll just sit and chill. This tree that I'm standing under abhi is by far the widest tree अब तक in this park that I'm seeing. इतने सारे पेड़ है यहाँ पे. See this is इतना पूरा. It's a big park. It's a really big park. But this one that I'm standing under, the one behind me that I just showed you, is the widest. It is covering the entire circle. बहुत बड़ा circumference है इसका. Give you an idea. The video is not justifying it, but it's really big, भाई. इतना बड़ा है, solid है. Many people can just sit under and chill. But नीचे का you'll have to bring a carpet or a chatai or something like that. But yeah, overall it's a very good place to be at. This tree is really lovely. I don't know, ये I think 100-200 साल पुराना पेड़ होगा. It's that big, भाई. सही है, solid है. I don't know what this cornflakes like thing is, but sorry, corn. There's one statue as well over there, and there's one more structure that I saw. Yeah, over here. I'll just see अभी वो क्या है. But the thing is, there is one outer road also यहाँ पे. From where you can enter the park from there, and then this is the outer road over here, and then you can explore that places. And there is this road as well. So I'm at the middle of this. You come from that side, so this is the road, and then you can go ahead from here. I don't know, I haven't explored that part yet, so I'll just explore this part and I'll see. This is another big tree. Man, बहुत सारे पेड़ है यहाँ पे in the line, and all of them are really big. There's some coconut trees. उनको क्या बोलते हैं I don't know. I think they are Ashoka tree. I forgot the names. I didn't study EVS properly. Some really great guys from UP. I'll just introduce you.
मेरा नाम मतील्ला.
आपका? अमन. आपका? राज जी. सभी यूपी से हो ना? हेलो बोल दो एक बार.
भाई इनको सपोर्ट करो, आगे बढ़ाओ.
Thank you so much. Alright, so I'll just leave now. I'll explore the park a bit. This statue actually is of the Maharaja of Mysuru. Something about them is also written over here. So a lot of information over here regarding all of these trees. So I was standing over there. I went here all the way, and I went through that road, and I completed this area over here. As you can remember in the earlier part of the vlog, this was the circle from where we entered, and then this was the other area. So anyway, this entire park is divided into zones. So this particular is the zone 3, and all the information about the trees are given in this chart over here. Some camel foot tree, then there are some oil tree, Managamy oil tree, then big leaf, Managamy, copper pod, and all that. And you can also scan this and get to know about the trees and their information. Overall, it's a very good park actually. If you're really someone who likes to know and study about all this, I think study of trees and all of this is called botany. If you're someone who likes trees and environment a lot, you'll really love this place. This is the biggest tree of my lifetime. इतना बड़ा पेड़ मैंने अब तक अपने लाइफ में नहीं देखा. This is really huge. इतना बड़ा पेड़ है भाई. वीडियो में you can't see it, and there's one more over here. This is so tall. Bhai, it is really huge, especially this one. It is so huge, like मैंने आज तक इतना बड़ा पेड़ नहीं देखा. Really huge यार. I'll just go and touch, and I think it is the most oldest. इतना पुराना पेड़ शायद ही होता होगा. It's so huge. मुझे एक्चुअली डर लग रहा है उसको पास जाके टच करने में. Man, magnanimous भाई. So guys, that's it for this vlog. I'll see you in the next. I'm sitting under the shadow of this beautiful tree. Under the shadow of this beautiful tree. It's really nice. So yeah, I came at 12 in the park. I entered the park at 12. Now it's almost 3 o'clock. पता भी नहीं चला, like 3 घंटे किधर चले गए. तो this park is really huge. बहुत बड़ा park है. It's not something that you can cover in half an hour. Just भाग के ये देख लिया वो देख लिया. If you truly want to enjoy, if you truly want to see all the trees and experience this park and have fun and chill, really enjoy it, then I think at least 1 hour will be enough for covering one part of it. But I covered the entire part of it because मेरे पास time ही time था तो ठीक है. So but it's really good. It's a really nice park. I'll recommend all of you watching this. Please do please do visit this park if you can. It's really nice. It's really good. Yeah, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for the next. Say hello. That's the deer. Expected was multiple animals, but there are just 1 or 2 at max. Unfortunately, I don't have any. You like
वो साइड
ఏమో ఉంది
Hanuman ji.